Kellie Maher has been living with Lyme disease for almost half her life. This is her on a good day, but the full effects have been devastating.
On bad days, I might be completely bedbound, difficult to string sentences together, seizures, having to be carried to the toilet.
I'm just really weak. I can't move.
Her mum videoed Kellie so doctors could see the symptoms were genuine. They spent 8 years and £100,000 getting a diagnosis.
To be quite frank, there have been many days when I thought I would not be able to keep going.
But far from giving up, Kellie's determined that others don't become victims of ignorance.
The response has been overwhelmingly positive.
She and a group of friends have started an online support and awareness group, and it's timely. It's now, as the weather warms up, that the deer ticks which spread the disease are becoming more active, particularly in wooded areas like the New Forest, where research is being done to map the spread of Lyme. Last spring, the Big Tick project was launched by wildlife expert Chris Packham.
So in the past, when you and I were running around in our shorts, there were ticks there, but the cold winters would keep knocking them back. But for some time we haven't had those. And each mild winter that we have leads to an increase in the population of these animals.
Researchers are expected to announce their findings later this year, but anecdotally there's a rise in the number of cases of this complex disease. The symptoms can develop up to a month after being bitten by an infected tick. Around half the time, the reaction is a bullseye-shaped rash. If treated early, it's harmless, but untreated symptoms include heart problems, limb pain and memory loss. Kellie's website is aimed at simplifying the message.
Put simply, the public have no idea how serious this illness can be. I'm not trying to scare people, but if we can make people aware and if we can prevent this, that would just mean so much.
And for her friends, she's an inspiration.
To be so selfless and always be there for other people still whilst going through what she's been through, I find it absolutely incredible. We're all really proud of her.
Rachel Hepworth, ITV News, in the New Forest.
It's going well.